Hi friends, welcome to Cracker Bank YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about 3 reasoning prelims level puzzles. Okay, let's get into our video. Right, this is the first question. Okay, what is the question about? He is saying 8 friends are seated in a straight line and facing north but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, that means there are 8 friends and north. If it is north and left here and right here. Take 8 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 2 cases. Right, 2 cases. Right. O sits at the extreme right end of the line. Okay, this is the extreme right end of the line. Place O here. Next. Only 4 people sit between O and G. That means take 4 people in between O and G. Right. Next. Both F and M are immediate neighbors of G. In first case F here and M here, and in second case M here and F here. Right, next. Only 2 people sit between M and L. Okay, in this case L should be here or L should be here, and in this case L should be here. Okay, sorry, he's saying only 2 people sit between M and L, so in this case L should be here only. There is no place for here. Right. Next, L is not an immediate neighbor of O. That means L should not be here, so L is here in this case, and here is also L is not the immediate neighbor of O. Both cases correct. And next, H sits second to the left of E. That means take E here, H should be second to the left of E. And in this case, you don't get you don't have a chance to put H to the second to the left of E. So this case is wrong. Okay, so this case is correct. And what is the remaining one? It is N. Right. This is correct. Right. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. See this. Okay. There are A, B, C, D, K, L, M. There are 7 persons live on 7 different floors of a building, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay. The lowermost floor of the building is numbered as 1. The one above that is number 2, and so on till the topmost floor numbered as 7. That means he is saying there is a 7th floor building and the top floor is 7 and the lowermost floor is 1. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Yeah, take it like this. Leave space for 2 cases. Okay, right. Next, each one of them also likes different games. Okay, they like different games, and each one of them likes different games. Right, what is the question? Okay, here onwards, only 3 people live between B and K, and B lives on one of the floors above K, and next K does not live on the lowermost floor. That means K should not be here. So in first case K is here, then there are 3 persons between B and K, and B lives on one of the floors above K, so B here. In second case K here and B here. These are the only 2 cases remains. Okay, next, only 1 person lives between B and the one who likes chess. So in between B and chess there is 1 person. Right, here also 1 person between B and chess. Next, the one who likes polo lives on one of the even numbered floors above one who likes chess. That means above chess in an even floor there is polo. So here only 6 is even above chess, so polo here, and in here also 6 is the only one above chess that is even, so polo here. Right, next, only 2 people live between M and one who likes chess. 2 people between M and chess. That means M either here or M either here. In this there is no chance for upper side, so M should be here because 2 people are there between M and chess. Next, the one who likes snooker lives immediately above M. Here you can say that if you take M here, there is no position to put snooker above M. So M should be only here. So take M here because you have to put snooker just above M. Okay, and here also just above M there is snooker. Right, next, A lives immediately above L. So take this case separately. A immediately above L. Okay, next, A doesn't like chess. Okay, if you see this, A and L are immediates, and if you put A here, L is here, right? And if you put A here, L is here, but he is saying A doesn't like chess, so there is only one case possibility, that is A here and L here. in this also A here and L here, right? Next, the one who likes Ludo lives on one of the odd numbered floors below L. So below L you have to check an odd floor and that should be Ludo. So here we have L, right? Below L there is 3 and 1. These two are odd numbers and either in 3 or 1 there is Ludo. And here in this case below L there is 3 already filled, so 1 is the only one, so Ludo here. Okay, in this case there are 2 chances, right? Next, M doesn't like Ludo, so here you can't put Ludo here, so the Ludo should be here only. And he in this case also already M is not Ludo, right? Next, D lives on one of the floors above C. That means above C there is one of the floors above C, there is D. And here also D lives on one of the floors above C, right? Next, only one person lives between the one who likes cricket and one who likes hockey. In between hockey and cricket there is one person, and also saying D doesn't like cricket, right? Okay, there is only this chance, cricket or hockey here, and he also saying D doesn't like cricket, so hockey here and cricket here, right? And in this case okay, there are two places, okay, not this. You have to check here there is only one gap, so this is the chance. So take one thing here, sorry, right, see here, yeah, what is he saying? D doesn't like cricket, so M is cricket here and D is hockey here, right? Next, M doesn't like badminton, that means here only one chance is there and it should be badminton, so this case is wrong. And in here the one thing is here only there is only one chance and B becomes the badminton, and this case is the correct one, right? Note this one, right? Next question, right? See this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 persons, these are A B C D E F G H. 8 persons are sitting around a circular area at equal distance between each other, but not necessarily in the same order. Some of the people are facing center while some are facing away from the center. That means he is saying there is a circular table and 8 persons are sitting in this, right? 2 cases we take, right? And for your reference here, right left, and in this direction left right, right? Next, and he is saying not all the persons are facing the center, some are facing center and some are facing outside, right? Note, same direction means that if one person is facing the center and then the other also faces the center and vice versa, okay, right? This is also a note point. Yeah, question starts from here. D sits third to the right of B and E sits second to the left of B. So take B as reference, in this case B here and B here, and in this case B inwards and in this case B outwards. And he is saying D sits third to the right of B, so take here D sits third to the right of B, and in this case D is here because it is facing outward, and E sits second to the left of B, so E sits second to the left of B here and E sits second to the left of B here, right? Next, immediate neighbors of B faces the same direction. Take this like here, right? Okay, for your friends put tick mark here, that means both are facing the same direction. Immediate neighbors of B are facing same direction, right? Next, right, right. Next, here C sits second to the left of E. You see here C sits second to the left of E, as B is already there here, so you have to put C here, and C sits second to the left of E, that means E should be facing outwards, okay? And in this case C already be here, so you can put C here, and C sits second to the left of E, so E faces inwards. Take this becomes this, and left and right becomes this, like, okay, right? Next, E faces the center, he is saying. In this case E faces center, this is correct, and in this case E faces away from the center, so this is wrong. So you only take this case, okay? Next, F sits third to the right of C, so you take here we don't know what direction the C is facing, and he's saying F sits third to the right of C. That means one case F should be here, and in the other case F should be here. Okay, both cases. Let's see what is going to be given in the next step. G sits second to the left of H, and H is not an immediate neighbor of B. He is saying G sits second to the left of H, and H is not an immediate neighbor of B. So you can't put H here and H here, and if you put H here, you have to take the condition that G sits second to the left of H. That means either G should be here or G should be here, but both the positions are already filled, so you have to remove H here. This is not H, right? So the only possibility for H is here, and he's saying G sits second to the left of H. So already D is filled here, so only case is G here, and G sits second to the left of H, so H is facing outwards. Take this, right? H faces outwards, right? And he's saying we already know F should be here or F should be here, so already G is here, so F should be here, and okay, right. Next, G faces same direction as D. That means this and this is also same directions, right? Next, immediate neighbors of E faces opposite directions. Okay, here you see immediate neighbors of E faces opposite directions. H is facing outwards, so G faces inwards. If this is inwards, all the tick marks should be in the same direction. So this is inwards, and this also inwards, right? Next, right. Yeah, immediate neighbors of F faces opposite directions. Immediate neighbors of F faces opposite. B is facing inside, so it is facing outside, right? Next, yeah, okay, the question is over now. What remains? A is remaining, and okay, you see something C. Okay, here you see F sits third to the right of C. That means if F is here, the C's position should be C's direction is here, so F is right, third to the right of C, right? Come on. So this is the problem. Okay, right guys, that's it for today's session, and thank you and all the best for your upcoming exams. Okay, by following these three puzzles daily, by following daily these puzzles, you can crack any prelims exam easily, right? Thank you guys, all the best for your upcoming exams. Thank you.